aubergine, Baignan in Hindi, and the dish we are making is Baignan ka Bharta, very similar to baba ganoush. I guess most of you know the dish, you've eaten it, and today we'll see how do we cook it. We puncture the aubergine a little bit, so when it's on flame, we're roasting it, it doesn't burst. Keep the flame medium and put the guy on fire. We roast it thoroughly till it gets cooked properly. You will see it releasing smoke from the punchers on it. Just keep turning it. If one side gets roasted, you turn it on to the other side. See all the juice coming out. It gets cooked on the flame. In about 5 or 10 minutes, you see the aubergine releasing smoke from the punchers and the juices, and you see the texture, the outside texture. This is done. This is how much we roasted. If you roast it too much, then it gets a little bit too smoky and carbon flavor. Now once it's roasted, we skin this a bit. Now people usually skin it completely. I prefer to leave a little bit of the skin on it so it gets that smoky charcoal flavor to it. Just mash it a little bit. A lot of folks prefer to de-seed it also, but I think the seeds, they give it a little bit more crunchy texture to it. So you mash it, and you can. We are ready to go to the next step. So now we come to the spices. The oil is getting heated in the pan, and what we have here is some mustard seeds, coriander seeds, cumin seeds, fenugreek, about 4 heads of garlic, 1 inch of ginger, finely chopped. We have some bay leaves, green chilies, curcuma or tumeric, red pepper powder, and to garnish, green coriander. First we put in the cumin seeds and the coriander seeds. Now this will form the base flavor of your dish, so they go in first. And we throw in the mustard seeds. You can hear the mustard seeds popping. Once the mustard seeds are popping, we throw in some fenugreek seeds. And then it goes ginger and garlic. Now you see your ginger and your garlic is already turning brown. Your seeds are also nice and done. This is the time when I'm throwing green chilies. I've just sliced them, not chopped them fine, so if you don't like to eat green chilies, you can always take it out of the plate. 2 bay leaves, small sized bay leaves. I just break them into 2. And I throw it in with the oil and the other spices. We let it cook for about 2 minutes, not too long. You'll see the green chili already changing its color. It's becoming a little whitish and transparent. That means it's cooked. And then we throw in some spices, what we use as a coloring agent here in India, which is tumeric, curcuma, and red chili powder. A teaspoon of each, not too much. Too much of turmeric or curcuma will make your dish bitter. So make sure you don't put more than a teaspoon of curcuma in it. I think I will add some more oil to this. You can already smell the spices cooking. You wait for a minute or so. It's on medium flame. You'll see all your spices, they start to jump in the oil. Now they're jumping. Yeah, they're popping up. And once this is ready to go, it's already hot. You can see the fumes coming up. Your spices are cooked, and now we throw in the mashed aubergine into it. Once your aubergine is a little bit cooked with the spices, say about a minute or so, I've thrown in finely chopped onions and tomato in it together. I prefer to add it later after adding the aubergine. Well, I like the taste of semi-cooked onions. The tomato will give it a little bit tangy flavor. In between, you just keep on stirring it so it doesn't start sticking to the pan or brown out. You can cover it. Low flame, let it cook for 5-10 minutes. If you like the video, do subscribe to our YouTube channel. Until next time, see you. Namaskaram.